Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video I will be answering the question by Better Living Hub, which says, what do you say about expert options and pocket options? So these comments by Better Living Hub was one of the comments on my video about the $1 billion CBEX trading platform scam, and this person is asking this question. So I'll be going in depth into the live investigation of expert options and pocket options. So I've done a little research and some background information, and I'll just show you what I have so that you can make a decision for yourself if you want to use the platforms or not. So let's get right into it. So in this video, I'll cover um, things like regulations, if the platforms are properly regulated, and if they have any warnings from top tier regulators, if people have been complaining about the apps and so on. So I'll cover everything and not just talk. I will show you everything that I found out in this video. Okay, so what you want to watch this video so that you can make informed decision. Remember, the goal of this entire channel is to ensure that people are safe online and you don't invest in scams that end up closing down on your money, or platforms where you cannot withdraw your money and things like that, or platforms that are even manipulated, because yes, some platforms are actually manipulated in terms of trading and all. So the goal of the channel is to ensure that you do not lose your money. Okay, so let's get right into the video. Right, so what do I think about expert options and pocket options? Let's start with the later, pocket options. So what exactly is pocket option? This is pocket option, and of course you can look at the about us so that you will know what pocket option is. But basically, pocket option provides binary trading, right? And there are several platforms that provide binary trading, but what we want to look at now is the legitimacy of the platform, the regulatory bodies that oversee the activities of the pocket option platform. So if you go over to this place, you will see regulatory environment. This is the home page. Oh, sorry, this is the about us page. And if you go over here, you will see regulatory environment, right? So, but before I go into the regulatory environment, let us look at something that I feel is key. And yeah, so all material services provided on this site are subject to copyright and belong to Infinite Trade LLC. So this is the company name. Infinite Trade LLC is what Pocket Option does. Then if you go down here, you see Infinite Trade LLC does not provide services. See, look at it. It does not provide services to residents of EEA countries, USA, Israel, UK, and Japan. So these countries are excluded. They are claiming that they do not provide services to these countries. That means if they don't provide services to this country, they obviously don't need to be registered in these countries. And but why is the question you want to ask, and I'll answer it in this video as well and share my thoughts with you. And then they said Infinite Traders is registered at Republic of Costa Rica, San Jose Mata, and blah blah blah, Las Vegas. So again, it's a registered company with in the Republic of Costa Rica, right? All brokerage activities on the website provided by Infinite Trade LLC. So again, it's a broker, right? And they provide options, binary trading. Okay, so we have a background knowledge of what pocket option is. Now let's go to the regulatory environment. Now the regulatory environment is very important, and they're saying that they are a they have a brokerage license with, I mean, this Mali brokerage independent regulator, right? So one thing you need to understand is that there are different levels of regulators and regulations, right? There is the tier one, tier two, and the top tier regulators. And okay, so I will talk about what classifies, a regulator as top tier, right? And just a maybe tier two or tier three regulator, right? So let's look at one of the top tier regulators, SFC, and on SFC you can see some other regulators that are also top tiers recommended by SFC. Now, if you look at FCA, which is Financial Conduct Authority, UK, right? This is a UK regulator, and one of the benefits of these top tier regulators is that they are very strict. You can't just get into the brokerage business or financial markets and get a top tier license without adhering to the strict regulations and conditions that you'll be given. It's very difficult. So a lot of these firms tend to, dodge these markets like the UK, USA, and so on that have strict regulations, right? And the strict regulations is simply to protect the investor. For example, there are regulations that require the brokerage firms to have like a kind of monies in place in case of anything. When anything goes wrong, investors can be paid their money and things like that. So many things, it's just generally to protect investors. So we have this FCA, is a top tier one. We have Australian Securities and Investment Commission, is another top tier one. Okay, then of course, and you can find that they're also mentioned in this SFC as well. We also have CFTC, Commodity Futures Trading Commission, right? We also have SEC in the US, right? So we have these regulators, that's Securities and Exchange Commission. So we have all these regulators that are top tier. FMA is there, Financial Markets Authority, and so on and so forth, right? We even have FINMA. So FINMA is also there. Now, then we now have pocket option that claims, let's look at it, they claim they are registered, they are regulated by an independent regulator that is maybe a tier 3 at best, not a top tier regulator with strict regulations, right? Now, so let's even verify that this is true, because you can actually verify that this is true. So first, this is what they say they are, and a simple search, like if I use my phone to just scan the QR code, it is supposed to take me to the certification. So this is the QR code. Now, if I scan the QR code, if this regulation is true, it should take me, because it's very important that so when I scan the QR code, here is what I get on my mobile. Let me show you all. So this is what I get, right? And truly, this is the regulator's website, right? maliregistrar.com, and it's under trust company. But here, nowhere can you find, like, you can't find you can't find this company, right? You can't find them. So again, Infinite Trade LLC is what you want to look for here, but you can't find them here. Now, what if we now say, oh, let us check brokers? So let's check brokerage company, for instance. And of course, you can check brokerage company. You will not find Infinite Trade LLC. Okay, you won't find Infinite Trade LLC. So at first glance, you see that they are already telling a lie based on the fact that I can't find them here. You can see that they are not on this list. I mean, you can search for it. So again, let me search for it. This is the list, right? So let me do a simple search and search for infinite. Can you see? So there is no infinite. You can see the search result. So no infinite trade LLC registered here. The trust, if you like, you can decide to say, okay, trust companies, which is what the what do you call it leads us to. You still cannot find infinite trade LLC. All right. And of course, if you check for other ones, for example, United Axis Limited, you can visit all these. You can visit this company, for instance, and check it out, and things like that. So you see what I'm saying. Now, so the first red flag I see here is that I cannot find this company. I can't find Infinite Trade LLC on the brokerage on the registrar site. Okay, I can't find it there. Now another thing is that um the so based on pocket options, you discover that there has been several warnings issued against these pocket options. Let's look at it. Remember, we're still on pocket option. So if you look at the FCA, remember, Financial Conduct Authority, you will see that there is a warning issued. That's it, pocket option warnings. This is first published 29/09/2021, last updated 21/11/2022, right? We believe this firm may be providing financial services or products in the UK without our authorization. Find out why find out why you should be wary of dealing with this unauthorized firm and how to protect yourself. Almost all firms and individual offerings promoting or selling financial services or products in the UK have to be authorized or registered by us. Again, FCA has to authorize and register every firm that is providing um, financial services in the UK. Now, for a pocket option, it's not registered by the FCA, yet they've been found wanting in terms of providing financial services. And you see their website is listed here. Be aware that some firms may give out details, blah 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 blah. Blah. So again, and this is a warning from FCA that look, be careful of pocket options. They are not registered, they are not licensed, and they are providing financial services. Anything that goes wrong, you are on your own. That is what this is just saying, right? That is what the FCA is just saying as regards the pocket options. And then you see that the CFTC has also issued a warning. This is also red list. So the CFTC has something called red list, and that red list means that look, we do not trust this platform. Stay clear. And you can see origin, Marshall Islands, type of offering, binary options, right? So this entity operates outside the US with no or limited US presence. So they have no US presence. And you can confirm on Pocket Options website where they say, look, we don't offer financial services to people in the US and in the UK. But you can see that CFTC has issued a warning saying, look, these people are not registered, they are not licensed, but they are providing financial services, right, to US, and they're warning that look, if anything goes wrong, you all investing your money, you're on your own. We cannot go after them because they are not registered, they are not licensed, they shouldn't even be providing these services in the first place. So you can see it for yourself on Pocket Options. Now the onus is on you to decide. I'm not even saying anything. Decide for yourself whether Pocket Option is a good platform for you. Decide for yourself. I'm not saying anything to you. Now, one of another thing I want to say is you can check out other websites and other platforms, other regulatory bodies websites to see if they have presence there. For me, the one they claim they even have presence is a tier 3, and even the tier 3, they are not really there, right? Because you can see I performed the search and everything. It's not, they're not there. you can scan the QR code on their certificate. It takes you to the website of the registrar, but you cannot find the Infinite Trade LLC, which is their uh, company name, on that website. Okay, so that's that for pocket option. What about expert options? Now, the same thing. Let's visit expert options. And if you visit expert options, you'll see their regulations on the website. So this is expertoption.com. You'll see the regulations on the website, and the Financial Commission, right? So they're regulated by the Financial Commission, and they're telling you is an independent dispute resolution and self-regulatory organization that specializes in financial markets. So, and then you can view their certificates. So it says, to increase trust, our platform has undergone an audit by Verify My Trade, a partner of the Financial Commission, and has passed their standards for execution quality based on an audit of 5,000 other executions. For more information, click on certification provided. Please click here. So again, we can check for that of expert option. So yes, they claim that, oh, we have been certified by this particular body, the Financial Commission, and you can, so, and they've been audited and they've been certified by the Financial Commission. Let's try and view certificates. Okay, it still takes us here. So verify my trade. So again, I would have loved the Financial Commission to check. So let me see the Financial Commission. So this is an independent body. You can click check your broker, right? Click check your broker, and then you can search for expert option. So you see expert, I saw it just now. Experts. So you see, so expert option is actually there. So you can see that, I mean, expert option is actually not lying about their certification with the Financial Commission, even though the Financial Commission is not really a top tier regulator. So the Financial Commission is not really a top tier regulator. Top tier regulators are the ones I've shown you, like the FCA, ASIC, CFTC. All those are top tier regulators, right? So at least they have some sort of independent regulatory body overseeing what they're doing, right? So, and I've performed the search for you, and you see that it's actually there, right? Now, let us check the I mean the time, the duration for both, platforms. So again, I use whois.com. So that is a good pointer how long these things have been in existence. Let's do for expertoption.com first. And you see, registered since 2007, and we're in 2025. So they've been around for how long? At least a long time. They've been around for a long time. So that's good, since 2007. And let's check for what's the second one? Pocket option, right? So let's check for pocket option research, and this is 2016. So again, you can see that the expert option has been in existence longer than pocket option, and you see that pocket option has received warnings from two major financial regulators, right? And you can make a decision for yourself, right? So that's the findings. And for the person who asked the question, you have it. I remain myself innocent, and thank you for watching this one. If you have any platform you want me to really look at critically so you can know if your money is safe or not, please feel free to drop it in the comment section, and I'll show you every proof that you need. Right? Thanks for watching this one. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.